FS2, how are you today? We're still working in our storybook for this week, Eddie's Pet. But today we're going to learn about something new in Eddie's Pet. We're going to learn about problem and solution. Problem and solution. Characters in stories often have problem and they try to solve it. So today we're going to learn together how to find the problem and the solution in our text. Okay, so first, what's a problem? Problem is when something went wrong that it needs to be fixed, and the solution is how we fix it. So problem is when something went wrong, and the solution is how we fix it. Okay, let's start together finding out from our storybook the problem and the solution. But before we start, to find out the problem and solution in any text, we need to ask ourselves 1, 2, 3 questions. Question number 1, who has the problem? Question number 2, what was the problem? Question number 3, how did it get fixed? Again, 3 questions. Who has the problem? Number 2, what was the problem? Number 3, how did it fix? So, here in Eddie's Pet, who has the problem? Eddie has the problem. Remember? So Eddie has the problem. So let's see, what was Eddie's problem and how did he fix it? Does anyone remember what was Eddie's problem? Huh? Okay, so let's go together through the story and find what was Eddie's problem. Here Eddie in his house, preparing himself for his pet. Then his neighbor called, and he was very excited to go and get his new pet. And here he went to their neighbor, and remember here Eddie, he was sad. He doesn't look happy. So what was his problem? Why did he look this sad? Yes, he looked this sad because he wasn't able to take his pet, to take his kitten with him home. So that was Eddie's problem. He really wanted to take his kitten back home, but he couldn't. Why? Because his kitten was still newly born and has to stay with her mama for 8 weeks to look after her. Okay, so the question number 1, who has the problem? Eddie. Question number 2, what was the problem? Eddie's problem that he couldn't take his pet or his kitten with him home. Question number 3, who remembers? How did he fix it? What was the solution? Oh, here Eddie got his cell phone and he took a photo for his kitten so he could go back home with at least a photo for his kitten. So that was the solution. That was Eddie's solution to fix this problem. Hi FS2, I'm back to show you what I want you to do. First, I want you to get your problem and solution sheet and write down your name here and the book title. What's our book title? Yes, our storybook this week is Eddie's Pet. So right here, Eddie's Pet. And what is the problem? So what was the problem in Eddie's Pet? I want you to write here what was the problem. The problem was that Eddie is not going to be able to take his kitten or to take his new pet back home as she has to stay with her mama for 8 weeks. Question number 2, who has the problem? So I want you to write here who has the problem. Eddie has the problem. Question number 3, how is the problem solved? Here we need to write how was the problem solved. How was the problem solved? How did Eddie fix this problem? He fixed this problem by taking a photograph for his kitten so he can go back home with it until he could take his pet after 8 weeks. Thank you. Bye.